What's going on in here?
I got my stars.
Your stars? Casey's playing with your purse? What are you two playing? Hi girls, can you wave at the video camera? Oh, okay, you're gonna get, what are you doing, Zell? Brushing her hair? You gonna give her a ponytail? That's nice and gentle brushing. I can't believe she's letting you do it. Casey, do you like that?